Hello guys, today we're going to talk about pump fittings, and these are the two pumps we have, primary and secondary pump. Let me show you. This is the one pump. It's the make of the pump is Grand Force, and this second one we have this is called secondary pump, and this is the same make, Grand Force. We have these two pumps, so today we will talk about these two pumps, how they work, how they supply water from this tank. This is tank, let me show you. We have this tank, and this is all the fitting we have. This is the main line from which we have to take the water, and this is our taping. We have taken this taping from this point, and this is the straight pipe, and then we have elbow, and this is union. Then we have one voice trainer also here, and this is PRV, pressure regulating valve, and then these are ball valve, Legris make, and then this goes to the water tank. This is water tank here. This supply directly goes to the water tank, and from that tank we have connected these two pumps here. The pump, this is pump suction, it sucks the water from this tank, and from this point it takes it to the cell deck pad, to the top of this air washer, and it makes the whole cell deck pad inside the air washer wet, and this cools the air. So this is all the fitting. We have this ball valve, and these are all fittings. Here we have, in pump suction, we have vice strainer also here, one vice strainer here and one this side, two vice strainer also. The function of the vice strainer is to protect the pump from any unwanted substance. For example, we have waste material in tank also. Sometimes there is dirt and all that, so when pump sucks the water, this dirt will come with the water, and it will be accumulated in the pump, and the life of the pump will be, it will be less. So the vice strainer we installed here, the function of this vice strainer is to protect this pump from the dirt, so it makes the dirt not to come through this pipe here in the pump. So this is all the fitting we have in the air washer. You can see we have unions, ball valves, elbows, and this is the drain point. This is overflow, and this is drain, and this drain goes to the same there.